guys, it is Aaron and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see in the title, I'm going to be showing you guys my makeup because I keep saying this every time that I don't have a lot of makeup products and people are thinking that I'm capping. I am not. I honestly have one product of like each, like maybe a foundation, only one. I don't have a lot of products. Having not no money to buy makeup products is a different thing, but other than that, I just feel like, you know what, one product is enough. Like what, why do you need 4 or 5 foundations? So yeah, today I'm going to be showing you guys makeup products that I own and how many of them do I really have. So without wasting time, let's get into showing you guys my makeup products. Okay, I have everything in this dabba. I don't have a makeup box. This is the dabba that I have everything in, and I'm just going to pick things randomly. I don't know what is going to come first, or should I do it like accordingly? Okay, let's do it from the base. Okay, 1 second. I have to put everything down. Oh my god. Okay, okay. So now starting off with the base. For the base, I have two things. One is this pore minimizer primer from Inside Cosmetics. This primer really is very good and it gives you like a matte finish. It is a very small tube and I think it's for around 119 rupees. I'm not really sure. But this is the foundation that gives you matte effect. However, it's not sticky. Like I think the primer is supposed to be sticky because the makeup should stick on it. More stickier the primer is, the more nicely the makeup sticks onto your face. That is what I know. But yeah, this is not that sticky, but this does give you a matte finish. So if you have like an oily face, I think this is good. And another primer that I have, which is a primer and a makeup fixing spray, two in one. It is the Blue Heaven Prep and Fix Primer and Setting Mist. It has vitamin B, E, aloe vera, and it is paraben free. This makeup primer, I've never, honestly speaking, I've never used it at a I have never used is I have never used it as a makeup primer because I never really read the instruction like, oh, it's prep and fix. But I do use it as a makeup fixing spray and my makeup doesn't move using this. This is also a very cheap product, but it works as a high-end product. So this is the starting two things that I have for the base. Moving on to the foundation or like a skin tint. So I have one of each. That is this Blue Heaven skin tint that is SPF 50. You have heard me talking 100 times about this product, and I think it is in the shade. Where is the shade? I'm going to put the shade here because I don't really remember what shade it is. Honey beige, I feel, yeah, like it is in the shade honey beige. So this is the skin tint that I always use for the no makeup look or just like grocery shopping. This is the one I use. And then the foundation that I have is the matte poreless SPF 22 Fit Me foundation in the shade 332. I got this when I was in first year of my medical college, and since then I use this. I've used this so less, so much conducive I did using this, that this product is still halfway full and I think it's going to expire on December or January. So I only wear this during functions or like Christmas Eve, New Year Eve, feast. So I'll have to figure out a way to empty this foundation because it's going to expire very soon and I have to then go again and find another match. Back then when I got this, I was this shade, like this was the perfect shade, and right now I this shade is a little too dark for me, so I do work it out with concealer and stuff, but yeah, I have to use this and then get another foundation. Okay, moving on to a concealer. Now I have two things for a concealer. One is the concealer that I have from Swiss Beauty. However, I do not like this product. The shade of this product also is a little light for me, which is not an issue because, like, see, your concealer should be a shade lighter than your foundation, just one shade. This is like 2, 3 shades lighter, but still, it does like brighten my under eyes. I could work with this. And if this doesn't, I'll use this only for makeup looks because at that time I don't feel like I'm wasting the product. When I do makeup looks, I use products that I don't really want or like want to get rid of. Other than this, I do have another concealer palette. It is, but yeah, sure. It is a concealer correct and a contour palette, and it has like 5 6 shades. I don't know where this came from. Okay, never mind. So it has 6 shades. It has the orange shade, it has a concealer, it has a contour, and there are two more shades that I've never used. Like I didn't really figure out how to use, but this is the palette that I have, and I was like, in one palette, if you're getting everything, that makes more sense to invest on. So I got this palette, and I did lose this palette. I for a year I did not have the palette. Recently, when I cleaned my room, not me, actually, my dad was finding something, and he ended up cleaning everything because there was so much mess under my bed, and then he found this for me. So now I got it back, and I'm never going to lose it again. I even forgot that I have something like this. So yeah, concealer. Going on to the eyeshadow. Okay, we have two eyeshadow palettes. Yeah, it's here. Two eyeshadow palettes, which is one is from Swiss Beauty and the other is from Swiss Beauty itself. So this palette is in all the browns and the black, like is in the browns and the black shade, like not a lot of black shades, two, three dark brown shades and like shimmer shades. And this palette is has a pink, has a shimmer, has a golden, and has a black. I have only two palettes, and I do think I need variety of other palettes as well, because I see these makeup like inspos on Pinterest which are like green eye looks, and I don't have any of those colors. So I might just get a few more palettes, but these are my most staple. And like I feel like when you're going for a function, this is more than enough to create like eye look. So these are the two palettes that I have. The blush. I have two blushes. I have three blushes actually. One is the cheek and lip tint from Swiss Beauty again. It is in the shade Fruity Fig, and this is my most staple. I wear this everywhere I go, and it looks very subtle. The second one that I have is from Miss Claire. This is my first ever blush, and it has a little fungus here. I've not used this in a long time, so I'm just going to throw this, but this is in the shade 10. I just threw it, like I don't want to use it. I didn't use it for a long period of time. And then another blush that I have is from Inside Cosmetics. It is a Super Stay cream blush. Now this cream blush, if you're applying this much, it's going to turn you into a joker because it's so pigmented. So you make sure you use it like in a very little quantity. And I wear this for like makeup looks, because this is a more long lasting foundation. Yeah, my mic is on. Most of the time, the mic is not on. I realize it after the video, and then there's no audio, and then I have to record the video again. But yeah, so I use it only on special occasions. Both the blushes that I have are in the pink tones. When I want like a brown, brown blush, I make sure I use my lipsticks, because I think even lipsticks like could be used as a blush. It won't stay for a longer period of time, that is there, but you could just reapply it and just like work with it, jugaad, instead of spending money. Yeah. So moving on to the next thing that I have is like a few makeup brushes, and by few I mean three makeup brushes. This one is for the foundation, this is for my eyebrows, and this is just like an eyeshadow palette. Now I don't even use these, like it's been so long I stopped using these, because one thing, I use them, then I have to wash it again, that is a task. And also sometimes I forget washing it, I use these only, and then I break out. So I just have these, I'm not really putting them into any use. Then we have the eye product, that is a mascara from Swiss Beauty again, and I'm going to replace this mascara because I don't know, it is super long lasting, and it won't come off even with water, and when it does, my eyelashes also come out with that. And here at this point, I don't know if you can see, but I am bald even on my eyelash area, like I don't have an eyelash at one spot. So yeah, I'm just gonna replace this once it's all done. And also I have this intense black eyeliner from Blue Heaven. This is almost dried up, it's empty. I'm going to replace this too. But yeah, these two eye products, these are the only things I use. And in addition to that, I also started using this eyeliner pencil from ADS, I guess. No, from Miss Claire. It is a gimmer stick. It does come in other colors as well. And I do the eye makeup look. I'm going to be doing a video on that very soon. I love that eye makeup look. So I use that this for that. And these are the three eye products that I have. And I also have another uh, primer, moisturizing primer, which is from Prosh, and I got this as a freebie. It is a silk blur with hyaluronic acid and avocado extract. I don't really use it. Yeah, again, I use it only when I have like functions, when I do the makeups. Otherwise, I don't use it, and I really forgot that I have this. Now that I was digging, I got it. And for the highlighter, I have only one highlighter, which is Savage Barbie in the shade, and it is from Inside Cosmetics, and I love this eyeshadow. This eyeshadow palette alone has given me like 50k views on a reel, which is my highest views till now. So love this eyeshadow palette, would never replace it. Also planning to get a lot all the shades this highlighter has to offer. Maybe I'll just get it very soon. But yeah, the only highlighter, and I'm so proud of this highlighter. Like, look at that. Highlighter is highlighting, you guys. Moving on the lipstick you guys know because you've already seen my lipstick video. If you've not, I'm going to link my video here. Go and watch it, okay? Please don't be lazy. Watch the video if you want to know what lipsticks I have. And in total have like these many lipsticks, and out of which two are lip glosses. These two are lip glosses. This is the recent lip gloss I got from Meesho, and then others are lipsticks, creams, and mattes. So these are the lipsticks I have. Very less. People think I have a lot of lipsticks because I mismatch, always mixing 2-3 shades and creating a new shade. That's talent, by the way. But yeah, these are the lipsticks I have. Because of this video, I even could organize my makeup because my lipsticks were supposed to be in this bag with my most staple products. But yeah, everything was meshed because when a girl gets ready, she comes back to the mess she's made, and my mess is on the chair with the clothes, on the bed with the clothes, and on the my makeup dressing table, everything is just on the table, and makeup is everything here and there mixed. So I never really do. I just put it back there. I don't really like organize it. So I'm not very organized person, to be honest. And another thing that I have is this kajal. I don't really use this much. I just have it. I don't know. I think this is my grannies, because when Calista and Alden were small, she used to have these kind of dabbas to put it on their ears, and I just dropped one. I have it since then, so I don't really use it much, but yeah, sometimes I do use it. And I have sunscreens. This is the no makeup look sunscreens that I have. I'm going to be replacing this one because now I don't really like those. I don't know, it just feels very oily on my skin. Makeup brush, this is the make powder setting brush that I got from Meesho again. It's just, I want this in a smaller version. It's just very hard to set the powder like this. But yeah, this I have another makeup tool. And then last but not least, I have this Pond's Natural Glow powder, which sets my makeup so well. And this powder also can be just used as a powder and gives you very nice glowy even skin tone texture. So this is the one that I use as my settings. And with that being said, these were all the makeup products that I use, that I have. Only these products I have. There are no other products that I use. I might get products. I'm not telling that I won't buy products. I want to do one foundation, one sunscreen. No, I might get products. Who doesn't love makeup? I do love makeup. And if somebody is like, to be honest, I might not buy makeup products now because I don't have the money, and I might be like, oh, one product is enough. But when I have the ability to buy whatever I want, including makeup, the first thing I'll do is not see how many foundations, how many lipsticks I'll have. I will go and get everything. That is a fact. That is the truth. So I do hope and having other makeup products in the future too. But for this video, these were the products I have. Right now, I am late. I have to go out. Not out, I have to go to my cousin's place. This is the end of the video, you guys. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Bye. So proud that my nail polish has like stayed for 3 days. That is the max. Okay. And I don't know, maybe like in from the near when you see it looks bad, but when you look it from the far, it's just like, ooh, nice, clean girl. Yeah. Anyways, bye.